Should put a tick on here. Where we gonna find a ticket?
Animal tracks? Okay, so we already found animal
See
tracks.
right here? They're big.
Yep.
That's fine. I usually see clovers. Look at the tail. Up on the trampoline.
Yeah, clovers are over here. You want to go see?
Up on the trampoline.
What's up with your shoes? Okay. I'm looking for a mushroom. I saw a mushroom over on the other side of the...
There's mushrooms over here.
Okay, so they found the mushrooms. Ew.
Clouds. Look
Clouds.
up in the sky.
Stick.
Sticky Wookie.
Am I tripping?
Yes.
Okay, ants. We found ants.
All right,
What's
can
next?
spider web.
Okay.
Oh, over here. Kylie, there's
Right
one right
there.
there.